Okay. Kasi from the business world.
Sir, this is about the natural gas development bill. Sir, do you think the government should focus on prioritizing indigenous gas and LNG as fuel sources as it tries to boost RE in the energy mix?
Well, definitely because of the situation in the yung geopolitical natin, what's happening in the world, nakita naman natin yung pag-spike ng mga usual fuel sources natin, no? Coal, energy sources natin, coal, diesel, and others. Talagang pag nagkakaroon ng conflict, biglang tumataas. So we really have to explore our indigenous sources right now. LNG, meron tayong Malampaya, dapat na-develop yan eh. I'm sure kung meron tayo dito, dapat na pagpatuloy yung development niyan. Of course, RE is there. We are already continuously developing our renewable energy resources. Kaya lang, those are intermittent. Ang kailangan talaga natin yung mga base load. So, we have to really further explore development of the liquid natural gas, which I think we have more. Kung yung Malampaya na na pakinabangan natin ng ilang taon, I hope that we can find more deposits around the country.